Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the latest updates on luxury vehicles. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you: the 2023 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400 versus the BMW M340i. Let's start with the Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400. This timeless luxury performance sedan has a stylish and aggressive exterior design. With LED projector beam headlights, LED daytime running lamps, and LED fog lamps, the Q50 Red Sport ensures visibility and a striking presence on the road. Its front fascia showcases a sleek, black grille, an illuminated Infiniti badge, and a flowing water-like design that oozes sophistication. Stepping inside the Q50 Red Sport, you'll find a combination of luxury and convenience. Gloss black details and carbon fiber accents enhance the interior's modern appeal, complemented by red stitching throughout. The vehicle features a drive mode selector switch and backlit LED displays for easy reading at night. There's also ample storage space for all your belongings. Looking at the trunk, the Q50 Red Sport offers 14 cubic feet of space and a low cargo floor. You can easily fold down the rear seat or use the pass-through for larger items. However, it's worth noting that there is no spare tire in the trunk. Now let's turn our attention to the BMW M340i. Known for its modern design and impressive performance, the M340i offers a captivating driving experience. With sleek lines and aerodynamic features, this luxury sedan exudes style and sportiness. Inside the M340i, you'll discover a driver-focused cockpit with premium finishes and high-quality materials. The leather upholstery, analog gauges, and intuitive controls create a sophisticated ambience. When it comes to technology, the M340i boasts advanced features for enhanced connectivity and convenience. In terms of cargo space, the BMW M340i offers a similar trunk capacity to the Q50 Red Sport, but it might feel slightly more spacious due to its design layout. The rear seat can also be folded down for additional storage options. When it comes to performance, both the Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400 and the BMW M340i deliver impressive power and handling. The Q50 Red Sport is equipped with a twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 400 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. With its all-wheel drive system, it can go from 0 to 60 in about 4.4 seconds. The BMW M340i, on the other hand, offers a powerful turbocharged engine delivering thrilling acceleration and precise handling. Its sport-tuned suspension and rear-wheel drive create a dynamic driving experience. In conclusion, both the 2023 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400 and the BMW M340i offer a blend of luxury and performance. The Q50 boasts a timeless design and spacious interior, while the M340i impresses with its modern features and engaging driving dynamics. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on your personal preferences and priorities. We recommend visiting your nearest dealerships to test drive both vehicles and see which one resonates with you the most. Thank you for joining us today as we compared these two incredible luxury performance sedans. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which one you prefer.